Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to email Epic Games. So let's start. First open a browser and go to epicgames.com. Upon landing on their website, tap on three bars on top right corner and go to Help. Now scroll down, tap on Epic Games Store. Here they have already set some solutions to common problems. Keep scrolling down. Since we want to email Epic Games, we will tap on Contact Us. Now we have to fill up this form. Your user ID will already be inputted here. Now you have to enter a contact email. Select a platform. Select language. Describe the problem you are facing. You can also add pictures, document files. Now tap Submit to send the email. An email to Epic Games will be sent. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.